tell you why. Oh. I had to sanitize my hands because...
Sanitize. Sanitize.
I had to sanitize my hands because the university replaced the paper towels in the restrooms with hot air blowers.
Oh, I thought the blowers were more sanitary.
Really?
Blower. Blower.
Oh, I thought the blowers were more sanitary.
Really?
Oh, I thought the blowers were more sanitary.
Right. Hot air blowers are incubators and spewers of
Ewer.
Hot air blowers are incubators and spewers of Hot air blowers are incubators and spewers of bacteria and pestilence.
Pestilence. Pestilence.
Bacteria and pestilence. Frank. Hot air blowers are incubators and spewers of bacteria and pestilence. Frankly, it'd be more hygienic if they just had a...
Hygienic. 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 Hygienic.
Frankly, it'd be more hygienic if they just had a...
So what's your news? Remember that little planetary object I spotted beyond the Kuiper Belt?
Oh yeah, 2008 NQ sub 17.
Or as I called it...
Sub. Sub.
Yeah, 2008 NQ sub 17.
Or as I called it... 30 visionaries under 30 years of age to watch as they challenge the preconceptions of the fields.
Preconception. Preconception.
Challenge the preconceptions of the fields. It's pretty cool. They've got me in with a guy who's doing something about hunger in Indonesia and a psychotherapist who's using dolphins to
Psychotherapist. Psychotherapist.
A psychotherapist who's using dolphins to in Indonesia and a psychotherapist who's using dolphins to rehabilitate prisoners and
Rehabilitate. Rehabilitate.
Rehabilitate prisoners and...
Yeah, but exactly who are these people? What are their credentials? How are they qualified? What makes accidentally noticing a hunk of rock that's been...
Hunk. Hunk.
Accidentally noticing a hunk of rock that's been... Oh, there's my missing neutrino. You were hiding from me as an unbalanced child.
Unbalance. Unbalance.
No, you were hiding from me as an unbalanced child. I sense you're trying to tell me something.
Colossal. Colossal.
Feel sadness? Not really. It's what you and I would call condescension.
Condescension. Condescension.
Really, it's what you and I would call condescension.
The camera loves me and I it. They shot me in front of a starry background where I posed like this.
Starry. Starry.
A starry background where I posed like this. They're going to digitally add a supernova. They say it's the perfect metaphor for my incandescent talent.
Incandescent. Incandescent.
For my incandescent talent.
Now?
Almost.
Speaking of untouchables, I've got great news for you guys.
Untouchable. Untouchable.
Speaking of untouchables, I've got great news for you guys.
There's a tribe in Papua New Guinea where when a hunter flaunts his success...
Flaunt. Flaunt.
Where when a hunter flaunts his success... They kill him and drive away evil spirits with a drum made of his skin. Superstitious nonsense, of course. But
Superstitious. Superstitious.
Superstitious nonsense, of course. But
Here you go, Raj. You might want to drink this one slowly.
Okay, so Saturday night, can I count on my posse?
Posse. Posse.
Okay. So, Saturday night, can I count on my posse?
Raj, look at you.
I know. I'm resplendent like the noonday sun, am I not?
resplendent, resplendent,
Oh,
I know. I'm resplendent like the noonday sun, am I not?
Hey, good news. You don't have to sulk about Penny anymore.
sulk, sulk,
Good news. You don't have to sulk about Penny anymore. Hey, good news. You don't have to sulk about Penny anymore. Look, there are hundreds of Croatian women.
Croatian, Croatian,
Look, there are hundreds of Croatian women.
Let's just eat so I can get to bed. With any luck, tonight will be the night my sleep apnea kills me.
apnea, apnea,
My sleep apnea kills me.
Okay, dead cat named Lucky. Continue.
While others mourned Lucky, I realized his untimely.
untimely, untimely,
Others mourned Lucky. I realized his untimely. Replace him with something more suited to my pet needs. A faithful companion that I could snuggle with at night.
snuggle, snuggle,
Companion that I could snuggle with at night. Yeah, I was studying recombinant DNA technology, and I was confident I could create one, but
confidant, confidant,
I was confident I could create one, but when she wanted them.
Sheldon, not that we don't all enjoy a good lion seaman story.
seaman, seaman,
Sheldon, not that we don't all enjoy a good lion seaman story.
My point is, if Koothrappali is moving on to a new life of shallow, undeserved
undeserved, undeserved,
moving on to a new life of shallow, undeserved Imagine years over at Disney. Next thing you know, we're playing Halo with a multilingual Abraham Lincoln.
multilingual, multilingual,
Halo with a multilingual Abraham Lincoln.
Cute, huh?
she's not Indian.
So she's not Indian, the boys just...
oat, oat,
So she's not Indian, the boys just... So she's not Indian, the boys just sowing some wild oats.
No, there's no sewing, no squeezing, and no sucking face.
so,
No, there's no sewing, no squeezing, and no sucking face. And FYI, you'd be lucky to have me as a daughter-in-law.
She's feisty.
fusty, fusty,